Hello, I am Adrian Nur. In this time, I will present about our research with the title The Release of Hydrogen from Sodium Borohydride with Nickel Copper Boron in Hydroxyapatite as the catalyst. We from Center of Excellence for Electrical Energy Storage Technology and Department of Chemical Engineering, 11 Maret University. This research about the hydrogen fuel, we know that the hydrogen is a candidate for the fuel in the future, but the hydrogen as fuel have big problems about the hydrogen storage. There are so many type hydrogen storage, but in this time we will use the natrium borohydride is hydrogen storage, and we use the new catalyst for release hydrogen from natrium borohydride. This study aims to study how the current density and time of electrolysis during the synthesis of catalyst affect the release of hydrogen to the hydrolysis reaction of sodium borohydride. There are two steps this experiment. The first step is the synthesis of the catalyst, and the second step is the reaction of hydrolysis for hydrogen release. In the first steps, the electrochemical cells consist of an acrylic container with an electrolyte solution containing nickel chloride, copper chloride, sodium borohydride, calcium chloride, hydrogen phosphate, and IDTA. The anode and cathode electrodes were rectangular carbon. The electrochemical cell was connected to DC power supply, which provide a potential difference between the electrodes. The Furthermore, the resulting deposit was aged at 40 degrees Celsius in an oven, separated between the solution, and the deposit used filter paper, washed with demineralized water, and then dry in an oven at 40 degrees Celsius. The catalysts were tested on the hydrolysis reaction on sodium borohydride on hydrogen production at various temperatures. The hydrolysis reaction was carried out in a batch reactor. The sodium borohydride solution reacted with water at various conditions of specific temperature and a particular type of catalyst. This is about the result and discussion. This fit This figure shows the pH of solution in anode and cathode chamber during electrolysis. We see that the higher the current density, the faster increase in pH in cathode chamber, and the faster decrease pH in the anode chamber. This picture shows the best of particle form during electrolysis at various current density. We can see that the particle form at getting bigger with increasing electrolysis time and current density. These peaks show the resulting particle diffraction pattern. Peaks indicate the presence of nickel and copper. Particle boron is characterized by peaks overlap with the peaks of the other particle. The hydrogen released during the hydrolysis reaction with a catalyst prepared at various current density is shown in this picture. Catalyst prepared at current density of 160 milliampere per square centimeter and 90 minutes saw the best result. Although the difference with a current density 80 and 240 milliampere per square centimeter was not significant. It can be seen that the catalyst prepared at current density of 160 milliampere per, per square centimeter for uh, 120 minutes saw the best release rate compared to the electrolysis with 60 and 90 minutes. Nickel copper boron in hydroxyapatite catalyst was tested in the hydrolysis reaction at various reaction temperature. The hydrogen release of various temperature is shown in this picture. The higher the reaction temperature, the faster hydrogen release. The rate constant of the first order reaction was calculated at various temperature. The linear regression equation to determine the Arrhenius equation is shown in this picture. The resulting equation for reaction rate constant as function of the temperature. Calculation. The pH of the solution increase with the time of electrolysis in cathode chamber and decrease in anode chamber. The higher current density causes an accelerated increase in pH in cathode chamber and accelerates the decrease in anode chamber. The pH of solution affects the amount of precipitate formed. The higher the pH, the greater the mass form. The most significant hydrogen release at room temperature occurred with a catalyst prepared at a current density of 160 milliampere per square centimeter for 90 minutes. The hydrolysis reaction of sodium borohydrate with nickel copper boron in hydroxyapatite catalyst follows the first order reaction equation. The hydrogen release rate at beginning of the reaction ranges from 435 to 1600 milliliter hydrogen per gram catalyzed per minute. The resulting equation for reaction constant as a function temperature is like this. Thank you very much for your attention.